This is not a monitor that tries to do everything. Instead, it focuses on doing one specific job extremely well. The ASUS ProArt Display PA147CDV is a 14-inch ultrawide creative display designed to sit next to your main screen and make professional work faster, cleaner, and more intuitive. The ultrawide 32:9 layout immediately sets the tone. It looks more like a digital control strip than a traditional display, and that's intentional. This screen is built to hold timelines, sliders, panels, and shortcuts so your primary monitor can stay focused on the actual content. Once you experience this setup, it becomes clear why creators are drawn to it. The compact size makes it easy to fit into almost any workspace. It works perfectly under a main monitor beside a laptop or as part of a mobile editing setup. Even though it's only 14 inches, the horizontal space is surprisingly useful. Video editors can dedicate it entirely to timelines. Designers can keep layers and tools here. Streamers can manage controls without covering their main screen. Touch functionality takes this display beyond a simple secondary monitor. Interacting directly with the screen feels natural, especially when paired with ASUS Dial. Scrubbing through footage, adjusting values, zooming in and out, or changing brush sizes becomes faster and more precise. This kind of interaction reduces mouse movement and keeps you focused on the creative process instead of menus. As part of the ProArt lineup, color accuracy is a major focus. The IPS panel delivers consistent colors and wide viewing angles, which is essential when working with visual content. While it's not designed to replace a large color grading display, it complements one perfectly by keeping controls visually accurate and easy to read. USB-C connectivity keeps things simple. One cable handles display signal, touch input, and power delivery, making setup quick and clutter-free. This is especially useful for laptop users who want a portable but professional creative setup. Plug it in, position it, and it's ready to go. The design itself feels purpose-built. Clean lines, solid construction, and a minimal aesthetic make it feel like a professional tool rather than a gadget. The stand provides stable positioning, and the slim profile keeps desks looking organized, even in smaller workspaces. This is not a product aimed at casual users. It's made for people who spend hours editing, designing, color correcting, or producing content. For that audience, it becomes a powerful extension of the main display rather than just an accessory. The ASUS ProArt Display PA147CDV focuses on efficiency instead of flashy specs. It's about improving workflow, reducing clutter, and keeping creative momentum going. If productivity and precision matter in your daily work, this display earns its place in a professional setup. If you want to buy the ASUS ProArt Display PA147CDV creative tool, then please visit the link provided in the description.